Today we are in Sitka, Alaska. We came here on a cruise ship. We did not book this as a tour from the cruise ship, but we did get off the ship in Sitka and kicked around the town, saw some really cool stuff. And one of the things that happened was we met someone selling tours to this place, the Fortress of the Bear. This is run by an organization that's a charity. They rescue cubs and they rehab them and give them a place to live. There isn't a program right now with the state, so they do the job. Their goal is to someday be able to, with the state, release them. For right now, they just help bring these bears back to health and give them a place to live. It's a great place to go. They've got 8 bears and they're just beautiful to look at. They have about 89,000 people come to look every year, and that's how they get their funds to be able to keep these bears going. But let's go ahead and just watch these amazing animals.